through our week of camp, and then everybody would come together. Everybody bring their own cooler. We'd sit around in like a little circle. Everybody sitting on their cooler, and we'd introduce the team and the captains and everything that we do today. But this has grown into to this great event, this big turnout. We appreciate it. The reason we are where we've gotten to is because of all the support that we get from you guys. It's all about the kids, and we get tremendous support from our parents, better than anywhere. And we really, as coaches, we really appreciate that. So I'm going to introduce the freshman coaches. They're going to introduce the freshman team. Then we'll introduce the varsity coaches and the varsity team. We'll announce who the captains are for this year. Before we get to that, Heather Maximic, or
I'm going to do it.
Okay, Mrs. Cardona is going to talk to you about.
This is my favorite day of the whole season. The championship was probably the only day that was better than this. I just want to remind you all, for the first time in the history of the Touchdown Club, you have had your lottery calendars for 3+ weeks. That fundraiser has the potential, if we sell all 1,000 calendars, to raise, you listening, $12,000 for these boys. Please, on the calendars I handed you, it says there, if you cannot sell them or you have sold them, they need to come back to me by September 14th. You all have my cell phone number. It was right on the packet. Please, by September 14th, if you can't sell them, I know people who want more already. So I need them back. Second thing is we have a 50-50 going today. It's already up to $100 to the winner. And it is a Manalapan Touchdown Club rule, as long as I'm treasurer, that we do not accept the winner as a donation. You will not be allowed to donate your money back. So we'll come around and sell some more 50-50s. And we are going to raffle off that chair today. Good luck, boys, and let's go Braves!
I want to introduce the freshman staff. 2 members of the staff are not here. Coach Grant is not here, and Coach DeCastro, we were both in practice earlier. They had a prior commitment. We got Coach Harrison here and our head coach, Bill Smith Jr. They do an outstanding job with your young men, okay? Here's what I tell them. If they start with 45, I want them to end with 45. It's not their job to kill them or anything like that. It's their job to make them love football and get them to us. Okay, I want to teach them how to block, how to tackle, learn the basics of football. And they do a great job of it. Okay, when they got their teams, they're good. All right? But trust me, they're hard-working young men. Your sons are in good hands. They're great guys. They're in good hands. So at this time, I want to introduce Coach Smith, Coach Harrison.
Everybody up in a few minutes. They're going to introduce themselves. All right, they're going to introduce their parents if they're here. Just over the last 2 weeks, kids have been working very, very hard. They're learning the Manalapan way. Right, they're learning, like Coach said, blocking, tackling, all the fundamentals, everything that they're going to need for when they move up to varsity and JV, and everything they're going to need to be successful. Right, from their footwork to what to do with their hands and everything like that. All right, we're breaking it down very, very slowly right now, but hopefully we'll move a little faster once the season starts. Again, I want to go off what Coach Guerrero just said. This program is what it is because of you, because of the parents, and because of all the support that these kids get. So, boys, give your parents a round of applause. You guys do an amazing job. Thank you so much. Every dollar that they get goes back to the boys. All right. So we're looking forward to another successful freshman year this year. Without further ado, I'll call each guy up.
Hi.
Speak up.
I'm Luke Scamato, and I play quarterback.
I'm Alex there, and I play safety.
running back.
I'm Anthony Tomorrow, I play wide receiver.
I'm Billy Gar, I play wide receiver and quarterback. I'm Alan Krasler, I play D-line and O-line.
Thank you.
I'm Tommy Pierce, I play fullback and linebacker, and I love my mom.
I'm Billy Waters, I play wide receiver and quarterback.
I'm Michael Pacifica, and I play defensive line and offensive line. I'm Tyler Sinecki, and I play fullback and middle linebacker.
Hi, I'm Richie Peter. I play offensive and defensive line. My parents aren't here, but still love them.
I'm Nick Bionda, I play wide receiver and quarterback. Hi, I'm Ed Jarrett, I play quarterback and cornerback. I play quarterback and watch my mom over there.
I'm Frank Track, and I play defensive line and offensive line.
I'm Josh Fallon, I play corner and wide receiver.
Hi, I'm Louis Marshall. I play wide receiver and corner. My dad over there.
I know what that
I didn't know where you were.
Slide down.
Yeah, we're blocking them, we're blocking them.
I want to be known in these points.
I'm Alex Cloud, I play tight end and middle linebacker. Alright, my name is Ben Levine, I play offensive and defensive line.
I'm Noah Lacey, and I play offensive and defensive line.
Tailback, my parents are right here.
I'm Nick Romano, and I play wide receiver and safety.
John Vargo, and I play wide receiver and corner.
Right there, and I play wide receiver and cornerback. I'm Matt Ronnie. I play wide receiver and quarterback in my parents'
I'm Deshaun Taylor. I play tight end and defensive end.
All right, folks, before I introduce